Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the AI coding. So let's get started. So what is AI coding? Okay, so basically nowadays everybody is indulged in making their code faster, making it more productivity. So they are using the AI tools. So we have to go through the series like which are the AI tools and which are the best for writing the code better. So you have to use it in your code project, right? Rather than you are using the browser copy pasting and then no, you have to use it in your code and it will write the code for you. Okay, so let's take a look what exactly it is. So what is AI coding? AI coding using the artificial intelligence to help you to write, fix and understand the code faster than ever. You type a prompt, describe you want plain english like connect to the how to connect to the MongoDB with Node.js. So it will write you the code full fledged within a 2 minutes or 1 minute, right? AI writes the code, it generates the working code in seconds. Okay, so you don't need to learn how to connect to the MongoDB in Node.js. Okay, so now you have to work smarter, right? So you have to write code with AI because you have to increase your productivity right now. Okay, so you have to review it, right? All the code, all the syntax is correct or not, right? This is the most important thing. Tweak, copy, and ship your project. Okay, next one, the 60-second difference without AI. What in the last 4 5 years back, you can see you open the browser, Google the syntax, read through 3 4 Stack Overflow post, copy the code, adapt into your project, debug errors you don't understand, spend 30 60 minutes on a simple task that we are doing the last, you can say, 5 years back. Okay, now with AI, what most of the people are doing, write a function to sort a list. AI generates clean working code instantly. Copy it directly into your project. Ask AI to explain or modify it. Done under 60 seconds. Okay, so this is the difference. So why every beginner needs AI coding tools? Learn faster. Wherever you stuck, you ask AI what's the issue, so you learn over there like this is the syntax issue, this is that issue. So learn faster, get instant explanation for confusing code, no more endless googling, right? So it eliminates that one. Fix bugs instantly, right? Paste your error, AI finds the problem and tells you exactly how to fix it. Understand anything. Ask AI to explain any code in plain English, perfect for the beginners. Build real time projects, turn ideas into working apps without knowing every line of code. But here, the main thing is that, like, if you don't know, like if you're learning, if you're making a project related to Angular, but make sure you have to know the syntaxes, right? What are the optimization techniques you can do, because AI write the code, but you have to make it what are the optimization techniques you have to follow, or give them the like something like prompt. Okay, so otherwise there would be a memory leaks, there would be a component rendering the issues. So make sure, use it, but use it wisely. Okay, because it will increase your productivity, because I'm also using the AI tools to make my productivity increase, right? So use it, but use it wisely. Okay, otherwise there would be a issue while you pushing the code into the production level. Okay, so use it, choose wisely. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.